Hi, this is Motorola Moto G54 Power and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. First, open the home screen, hold for a while the application and drag the zip to another one, and by this way we would create a new home screen folder. If you want, you could add here more applications by the same way. To give a name or rename the folder, just tap once on the name and enter the new one. For example, the apps. If you want to move folders here on the screen or between the screens, just hold and drag it. If you want to remove application from here, you should hold and drag it to the home screen or just by drag it to remove icon. But don't worry, you will remove this application over from the home screen. You will stay with this app in the apps menu. And if you want, you could also remove all of the applications with a folder together. Just hold it and drag it to remove icon. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.